Here's another reason to own any of the Goose-Grip lights. Okay, I have to work in there in order to put this back, this little rubber cover, over the third upper strut mount bolt. And I'm trying 10 minutes to get it caught. So I decided I needed light in there. So I'm going to use Goose-Grip Swivel-Stick work light. This thing's 14 millimeters wide and 9 millimeters thick. Normally when you'd put an Astro light or something in there, it'll be in your way. But look at this light. You see these little things right here? They're just for holding the cover on here. But I can take this light and I can stick it right in there and illuminate the whole inside where I gotta see, and the light's not in my way. There isn't a company in the world anywhere that builds a light like this, that's this bright and this stealthy. This is the Goose-Grip Swivel-Stick work light, and if you buy it with the portable battery housing, I happen to be using a DeWalt 12-volt battery. This will attach to any magnetic surface, but you don't even need a magnetic surface. I just set it here, and you get to use the batteries you already have. It comes in Milwaukee M12, it comes in DeWalt 12-volt, it also comes in Snap-on 14.4 volt. Just another reason why you buy the greatest work light ever made for auto mechanics, because that's what I've been doing for 45 years, and I made these lights because they needed to exist. Goose-Grip. Goose-Grip.com. Look at it. Lifetime warranty. I'm out.